Okay. Right to the top, boy.
Wait,
Hiccup.
top?
From How to Train Your Dragon. I would say, yeah, honestly.
What? Number 1?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's
Above
my
a
husband right there.
Styrian?
that's my fucking husband right there. Okay,
Oh
you have
my
no
God.
idea. You have no idea.
That's
Dude,
genuinely
like,
shocking.
Okay, look. I grew up with this man. Genuinely, we grew up together. Like the black scale outfit that he gets is him with the beard, and he kind of looks like my boyfriend. Okay,